Alright, so keep getting hounded for a DIY on this. This is really kind of hard to see stuff, but I am grabbing my friend's crotch in order to get you guys this shot. So, blue wire, as you guys have seen in Chris's videos, that needs to get cut. You'll notice I have a blue wire poking out here, which the wire that's left over after you cut that one, attach to the wire, and then for simplicity's sake feed the wire, your length of wire, through here. So attach old wire, which you can't really see, there, attach old wire to new wire, poke through housing, and then we'll get to wiring the voltage regulator now. Alright, so at this point, something that we're doing a bit different is this particular set of taillights, the turn signal is going to become the triangle, and the instead of as a additional brake light. So we've got the voltage regulator here, which part number is L7806CV, and it's going to be down here. Now, which side you do what does matter, as my light lamp holder has already asked. You've got the 3 pins on the voltage regulator. The one, when you're looking at it with all the letters, the one on the left is your 12 volt input. The one on the middle is a ground, and we're going to add a ground strap. And the one at the far end is your 6 volt output. So the 6 volt output is going to the blue wire, and we've color coordinated this so you guys can get a better idea of what we're doing. So blue wire, and your 12 volt input, which in this case is the turn signal, is the green wire, and it's going to the 12 volt input. And then we're going to ground this to the black wire of the turn signal here. All of these black wires meld together inside this clip, so you can use any of the black wires. Some of you guys are going to ask, well, which one of these is the stop lamp? Like if you want to use it for a stop lamp. And I'll put that here because I don't remember what it is. So there, it's right there. So we're going to finish putting this together, and then we'll show you guys the finished picture. Alright, so we've got the 3 wires on for this setup. We've done green, black, and blue. Talked earlier that what blue's for, what green's for, black, because we're doing this as a second backup lamp later on. We just left this plug disconnected and tapped into the black wire here. Ground this later on down the road. But that's it. That's your regulators done. I recommend you sleeve this, and then when you go to mount it on the car, this here can act as a ground shield depending on which regulator you bought. But I just mount it on here. This does need to be mounted to something that is metal, because this is also the heat sink for the regulator. So if you want it to last and you like the time, just like mount it on one of the screw holes, and it usually stays put. And then you're done. You have, depending on which way you wired it, you have a brake lamp as your triangle, or you have a turn signal as your triangle. In this case, turn signal. So there you go. It's taken a while, but there's your how-to on how to do the next step, I guess, of the Audi mod. So big thanks to Chris over at FlyRyde for getting us to the Audi mod step, and for basically solving how this whole system works. And so thank him for doing this and showing me what to do so I can make this video for you guys. So see you next time.